The dude abides. Or I'm going to show you how to change a light bulb in a fluorescent socket, 48 incher. All right, so we're going to check it out right now. This is cold white, and you're going to notice on this end you've got these two little contacts on both ends of these, and it slides right up into the light fixture. All right, so I've got to get this out, so that's what we got to do now. I'm going to just set this down here. You guys can watch me. I'm just kind of popping this up and sliding it out. All right, trying not to wreck the house. I'm just going to set it back here for right now. Okay. All right, now I want to show you where I'm sliding this thing into. This light right here, that is the wrong light. So I'm just gonna, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it until I see it go out and it slides out of those little thingamabobs. All right, let's pull it out of here without, you don't want to break this. All right, you do not want to break it. So I'm just gonna set it over here on the bed, and hopefully nobody jumps on the bed. And we're just gonna let it sit there, and then I'm gonna throw it out. All right, now, this bulb here, I've got to put up in the socket. So I want to show you guys the way the socket looks. You see how it's got that little like slot in it on both sides? So I just got to get one side in there, and then I slide the other side up and twist it. So that's what we're going to do, okay? Here goes, all right? So here I am, I'm lifting it. Jesus, I almost broke it. So I'm lifting it up, and I've got to get this into the side there, and I'm going to try going on this side. I'm going to feel it first, and then, yeah, I think you can see. I'm going to try to slide it up in there. Yeah, there we go. And at the same time, I want to do this side. If I can get them both in there and turn it, I should have some success, right? Ooh, I did it. All right, so that's it. That's how you do it. This is pretty much close to the same color. And it's up in there. You want to make sure it doesn't fall out, because that's the worst thing that could happen, right? Yeah, you don't want that happening. All right, now I just got to put this back. I got to slide it up there and drop it in. Show you how to do that. So let me set this back down here again. And so this is kind of tricky, because you gotta kind of get it up in there like this on an angle, right? And then once you're up in there, you gotta kind of, you gotta kind of bring it down like that, and then you're just gonna slap it until it pops down. Sometimes it doesn't wanna. There we go. So now this side's up. So you see, this can be problematic. Maybe I put it in backwards. That's a possibility. There, hang on. Oh shit. No, I put it in right. Yeah, so this goes up like this. And then we're just gonna slide it over and drop her down. Yeah, you can do it. Let's get this end in. Nope, that ain't working. Get this end in first, and then I think maybe I can do it on this side. Just doesn't want to go down, does it? There we go. All right, we got it. Oh my God, that was a pain in the butt. All right, that's how you do it. The dude abides.